Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to Fashion Style for You. Today, I am sharing 5 brilliant ways to look elegant and stylish over 50 without spending too much money. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Wear well-fitted clothes. No matter your body shape, well-fitted clothes always make you look more polished and put together. Avoid baggy or oversized outfits. Tailor your clothes if needed to fit your body nicely. Tip number 2. Choose neutral colors. Colors like beige, white, gray, navy, and black always look more expensive and timeless. You can mix and match them easily, and they give you a clean, classic look. Avoid too many bright or flashy colors if you want a soft, elegant style. Tip number 3. Add one statement accessory. You don't need a lot of jewelry to look stylish. Just pick one good quality piece like a simple gold necklace or a structured handbag. It adds a touch of class without overdoing it. Tip number 4. Keep your hair neat and styled. Your hairstyle plays a big role in your overall appearance. Choose a haircut that suits your face shape and keep it fresh and clean. Even a simple ponytail or bun can look elegant if done neatly. Tip number 5. Focus on good posture and confidence. The way you carry yourself matters more than your clothes. Stand tall, smile, and walk with confidence. Elegant women always look graceful because of their attitude. That's it for today's video. Looking stylish and elegant over 50 is all about smart choices, not big spending. If you liked these tips, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my dear viewers.